Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a pattern haul. All the patterns in this haul are McCall's brand patterns, and I purchased them in May 2018. Unlike with my previous hauls, I do not have any out-of-print or vintage patterns to show you. I still hope you enjoy this video. Okay, let's get started. The first pattern I have to show you is McCall's pattern number 7718. I own patterns similar to this one, but the skirts on those patterns are shorter than this pattern's, and almost every similar pattern I own is out of print. Since there is something I would like to make in the future that needs a currently printed pattern in this style, I decided to pick this one up and see if I like it more than my out of print ones. These next two McCall's patterns are pattern numbers 7762 and 7764. These patterns are part of the official line of costume patterns inspired by the costumes from the TV show Outlander. I'm so happy to have these patterns because I have a use for both of them, especially pattern number 7764, Claire's wedding dress pattern. I can't wait to have the time to use both patterns. The next two patterns I have to show you are McCall's patterns number 7747 and 7757. Both patterns look like they would make a great outfit for a music festival. I don't have any plans to make either of the patterns as of yet, but I hope to once I find the right fabric. The next pattern is McCall's pattern number 7748. This pattern is part of the archive collection and is from 19 57. When this pattern originally released, I was unsure about buying it because even though it was a cute dress, I didn't think the dress would look good on me. After thinking about it for a while, I decided to buy it anyway. This next pattern, McCall's pattern number 7765, is a costume pattern and is part of McCall's Yaya Han pattern collection. When I saw this pattern for the first time, I thought it was a very nice costume, but I didn't think the pattern would be very useful for me. After looking at the line art and all the pieces of the costume, I could think of many uses for the pattern in the future, so when I got the chance, I bought it. This next pattern, McCall's pattern number 7763, is a costume pattern and is part of McCall's collaboration with Angela Clayton. I looked for an Italian Renaissance costume pattern like this one for many years, but all the ones I found are out of print. I'm very excited to make this pattern in the future. The final McCall's pattern I have to show you is McCall's pattern number 7627. I saw this pattern in the McCall's pattern collection books and was very excited to buy it. I saw wrapped shirts like the ones that this pattern makes in the stores earlier this year. I liked them, but I didn't like them enough to buy them. I wished there was a sewing pattern that looked like the shirts I saw, but I couldn't find one until I saw this one. Once I found it, I immediately bought it. These next patterns are simplicity patterns, and they are 1197 and 1252. They are reprints of 1960s patterns and are part of the vintage collection. I bought these patterns as backups, but while cleaning my sewing stash, I found a pile of patterns I thought I put away, but didn't. In the pile I found both 1197 and 1252, so now I have 3 of each pattern. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the extra patterns I found, but I'll figure it out later. that's all I have to show you. If you like my videos and you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.